And we're going to find out about catching some sturgeon here on the Columbia River.
Bubble. Oh, there you go. Whoops.
Hey everyone, welcome to Whitebeard Angler. Today I'm fishing around with Wade. He's over there getting the squid on, getting it ready. And we're going to find out about catching some sturgeon here on the Columbia River. I have never landed a sturgeon. And when Wade heard that, he says, I'm going to take care of that for you. So hey, let's see if he's right. I'm sure he is. He told me where the perch were. He was right about that too, so he couldn't be wrong about the sturgeon. And of course, I got my little buddy King. There he is.
Yeah.
Chilling. It's really smoky out today, but we don't care.
No.
We got fish to catch here on the Whitebeard Angler.
Got one. I don't know how tight the line is. Come off? No. He's coming. Ain't he?
Seems to be.
All right. Fuck yeah.
Little sturgeon fishing here on the Columbia River.
Took a good. Couple feet. Pulling?
A little bit, yeah.
There you go.
There he goes.
Feels good, doesn't it?
It does feel good, Wade. Oh my God, there he goes.
Yeah, he's done. He's got fish. Hope he ain't got a tasting in the bone. Oh yeah, he's a fair sized son of a bitch. Oh fuck yeah. Yeah. I better get up here with the anchor. He's got a lot of line still, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
so far.
Oh yeah, you got a fucking good one.
He's swimming upriver.
6 footer better. I
He-
bet.
Huh?
36 footer better.
He was swimming upriver there on me. See if he'll breach.
Unhook the boat. Just in case.
I think we're all right.
I think so. Well, if you've got enough line. Oh, fuck yeah. Now I feel better.
You feel better?
Now I do.
I feel pretty good. I'll feel even better if I get this thing to the boat.
Oh, you will. You will. He's hooked good. Oh, he's still taking line.
Oh,
He might be bigger than we think.
well, the bigger the better. He's coming. He's coming to me. He's gonna jump. That was just round one. I'm gonna piss him off.
All right. I like it.
I'm gonna piss him off again. They live in this water.
Yeah, they got fucking
This is home.
clams and all their
This is home.
crawdads.
This is home. That's why they're here. Well, let's just see what kind of fish we're talking about.
Well, we got a sturgeon.
Yes, sir.
Fucking hammered it.
That ain't no
He
cat.
nibbled and then just started pulling.
That ain't no catfish.
Oh,
That ain't no walleye.
nope.
That ain't no bass.
Nope.
That right there, ladies and gentlemen, is a genuine sturgeon that I haven't seen yet. We're going to though. Well, we were fishing 50 feet deep, and how far did he run?
You ran pretty good.
We got a lot of line out there still. Oh,
You ain't done yet.
no, not yet. They never are.
It's a good fight.
I like it. And I'll tell you what, this is my first sturgeon that I've had on the line that I haven't lost yet. And I love these things. They are intense. I love it. Fish this big in this river.
An Asian fish.
Mm-hmm.
Asian fish.
I will take that all day long. Oh, 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 I see him. I see color.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, I see he's not that big. He looks like maybe 4 feet, but that's...
Oh, I see the bubbles. There's the bubbles.
Oh, he's swimming up river. Oh, he's going under the boat.
Yeah.
I don't like that. Oh,
No way.
no, he's still there. What the hell?
Well, he's got to be right here.
There he is. I see him. He's wrapped up in weeds too. Or is that just weeds? I think there's a fish wrapped up in weeds right below us now. 10 feet down. Like I said, I think about a 4-footer.
Good, I mean.
I'll take a 4-foot sturgeon. There he is. Oh yeah, beautiful.
Oh fuck, he's bigger than you think he is. That motherfucker's over 6 foot long.
Now.
Look at that son of a bitch
He's
right here.
Beautiful.
Look at this.
That's a beautiful
He's
fish.
a fucking monster.
That's a beautiful fish.
Look at that fucker.
Look at him.
Look at that.
Oh,
Huh?
I don't think.
What do you think of that?
I think that's just wonderful.
Huh? Hell yeah.
Oh, he ain't done.
Yeah, he's getting close. God damn.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. Oh yeah,
He is
he's
6
5,
foot.
6 foot. He's 5, 6 foot. Look at this gummer. What are you doing? Look at the size of this fucker. You want to take a picture or what?
Yeah, it's just,
Hold on to the fucking pole.
I got it.
Look at the whiskers on that fucker. That's a fucking nice one.
That is a nice fish. Beautiful. That's about 50, 60 years old, that one.
Oh fuck.
What do you think?
Yeah?
That's a beautiful fish.
You didn't like that, did you? Well, you better watch it. If that fucker wants to take off, there ain't much I can do about it. But, got one. There he's gonna fucking move. That's a nice fish. There.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Isn't it? You ever
Yeah.
felt one?
No.
Feels like a shark.
No. Oh, are they?
Yeah. And then right down the slide of him where that white shit is right there.
Yeah.
There's spikes.
Yeah.
Like a razor.
And I hear that when they, after a while, they wear out. They're not as sharp. Is that right?
Oh, they're fucking sharp. They're fucking. I think they stay that way. Let me get the weeds out.
Beautiful. That's about 50, 60 years old, that one.
Oh, fuck.
What do you think?
Yeah?
That's a beautiful fish.
You didn't like that, did you? Look at that.
That's beautiful. My first sturgeon.
Is it?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Look at his whiskers. Ha!
I love that. All right. Do I need to get some pliers out?
No, I got some.
Okay.
Five. Right there. Okay. That is a beautiful fish.
It really is.
Well, goddamn. Guess I wasn't lying. Come here. You son of a bitch. Yep, he nailed that fucker.
He did too.
Where's the hook? I can't see.
Looks like it's right
Right here somewhere?
somewhere.
There it is. Ready?
Yeah.
Whoops. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. There he goes.
Whoa. Oh boy. Oh.
Oh, shit.
I'm okay.
Be careful.
I'm okay.
Got him?
Yeah. Okay, I guess I won't do the underwater release shot right now. I guess I'll reel him back in. We'll do that shot again. He just got his second wind.
Yeah, he's got to start getting pissed off.
He is pissed off right now. He blew some more air bubbles. Ain't like you're gonna stop him. He weighs more than I do.
Yeah, he's getting a second wind. Yeah, he's a swimmer. That's cool down there. Look at that. He's gonna jump. Oh, there's these bubbles.
Alright, let's try this again.
Wow. That is. Oh. Fuck yes. Watch, we'll catch another one too.
I love that.
Okay. Come here.
All right, Wade, I'm ready again. Thank God I had the rod in my hand too, huh?
Oh yeah.
We would have lost it all.
Where's this fucking big son of a bitch? Right? Oh, God damn it. Come here.
I see the hook.
Oh, fuck yeah, he's hooked.
Boy, he got hooked good.
God damn. Oh, shit. Oh,
There we go.
there he goes. Look at that, look at that. Make your day. Hmm?
Brother, I can't thank you enough. Thanks so much, Wade.
Hey, cool. I'm glad.
appreciate you,
Now
man.
I'm fucking happy.
I've caught a sturgeon.
And a nice one.
Couldn't have done it without you, though.
Yep, and a-
Well, wasn't that something? Wade put me on my first sturgeon ever. That's the biggest freshwater fish I've ever caught. I'm glad you were here checking it out on the Whitebeard Angler. Tight lines, everybody.
Fish around, find out, catching sharks, catching trout, even caught a largemouth, catching something new.